Hey, hello everybody. How are you today? This class number 9 of Microsoft Word documents. And you can see this is the reference and mailings, review, view, add-ins and help. So today I gonna show you every tools. It's not a regular usable tools. It's they have just small advanced tools. Okay, and these tools is very usable tools and it's daily usable tools and it's not daily usable tools. So it is actually I'm gonna show you this tutorial. I have to understand to you just to overview all these options, and now we're going to end my course. So everybody, you can see I'm here Microsoft Word documents window, and this is the reference. So actually many options are there, but its option is used particularly problem. Okay, you can see the lot of option here on the reference. First I take some word from online. Okay, just take this or just copy and paste here. Okay, now I'm show you first table option. Okay, you can see the table option. Oh, create a table. Okay, so first I should create a table, and you can see this is the text. Add a text level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, and you can see the next option is footnote. Just you include the footer option is okay. Just you can note here, just note for example, and the next node is the same. Okay, and the next is search, and you can see this is the search option here. You can search any content. Okay, you can see a lot of content here, and the next option is insert caption. Okay, you can add a caption here. Okay, placeholder number 1, and the next option okay, this is the same option. I can show you. It's when you when you use professionally, then you knowing automatically. Okay, and this is the insert caption. You can insert caption, any caption. Okay, just okay, so you can see this is the caption is insert table of figure. Okay, so this is the table figure. It's the print preview. Okay, this is the table 1, and the next is mark entry. Okay, you can mark any word, and the next is mark caption. You can mark any caption. Okay, so these are all tools actually what does you can see, and you can use this option. It's not actually necessary, it's just used particularly any documents. So I think you have idea this reference, and now I'm going to show you mailing. So mailing is first you create a mailing point. Okay, so it's a delivery address. For example, you can here any address in the awesome, and the address. So you can type here many things, and you can type what you how many options you need here. After you add these documents, so you can see the documents is add. Okay, everybody, you can see the next group is start mailing merge. So start mailing merge under you can see start mail merge. Okay, just a later email message or involves, and the next is select receive pane, and that's it. This option is hide also, you can see. And the next option is review option is here. Just you can translate your word, okay, and your language, check your accessibility, read aloud. Okay, this option is here, but it's not usable actually. I can't use anytime. Okay, and this is the view read mode. Okay, so you can read mode these options. Okay, okay, I think you got it. And the next is web layout and outline draft, and the next is immersive reader. Okay, this word going to read.
Accusamus et isto odio dignissimos ducimus qui blandites presentium voluptatem delenitiat corrupti.
Okay, I think you got it. And the next option, where? Okay, is the review. Okay, okay, and the ruler here, and guide, and the navigation plan. Okay, so I think you got it, every tools. So this video is enough for today, and I'll see you next video. Have a good day.